everyone, my name is Sitti Nuraisyah binti Omar from Richest company. We will present our business idea. Richest company is our company name. Our product is Popialicious crispy, is as known as Popialicious, which is trend snack foods nowadays. Popialicious crispy made by kulit popia changes it to snack food. The ingredients to make Popialicious crispy use kulit popia and also cheese powder. Our product Popialicious crispy is affordable and good quality snack foods. Our products sell in 3 places that our company targets, which is Semporna, Sandakan, and Kota Kinabalu. Next is pants and gowns. Our company pants, which is we can see the situation in our country right now have many problems with economy, which is their income not stable. So our company afraid that no customer will buy our products. The second one, our pants is our company is hard to put the price of our snack food product because as we know, not only us who sell the snack food product, the other competitors also sell the products. The next one is delivery, that our company need to deliver our product to customer by face-to-face customer by walking if near place, and if the far place from our place, that we need to delivery by our own transportations. Our company gains is after our organizations promote our product, that we get more attention from the customer. The next one is, as we know, our company also have competitors that also sell snack foods. So our company decided to sell our product with cheap price that everyone can buy it with a good quality and affordable price. The last one is about we also have a good relations with other customer to make our company easy to conduct our company. The most important is our company ensuring that trader and customer have a good networks. Okay, next presentation will present by YUCHEN. Thank you.
We are use 3 of technique for generating ideas, such as we use a brainstorming technique, library research, and denial research. First one, brainstorming. Within a certain period of time, the members of our whole group put forward their own idea and begin to discuss the originality of idea. We use all the ideas provided to support the most period ideas. Finally, solve each problem and product the best idea. Library research. We are also use library research technique. In this manner, we have referred to material such as scholar books and journal to aid us in the process of comparing. Third, internet research. We can find out more information with very easy to get a more suitable material.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AZMEER bin ABDULLAH. I will continue the presentation for the next part, which is the feasibility study of the business idea. In this part, we will see the feasibility study of the richest company product, which is Popialicious crispy. First, for the product service analysis, our product already been famous and trend snack foods among young people. So we want to make our product become well-known product in many places that still not familiar with our product. So our product offer Popialicious crispy at cheap price with great quality of product, also affordable snacks for everyone. Second is the target market analysis. Our potential customer is student, staff, and teacher. So our company use social media as our platform to promote our product, such as Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, which this platform can help us to sell our product. For the demographic and economic customer, our target is low and middle group because most of them more prefer low price and affordable product. Last is the financial analysis. In cooperative of our company, most of us willing to invest a capital on RM for each person. After we calculate and determine the affordable price for our product, we put RM2 as the price which we think this price can compete with other snack foods product in the market. That's all from me. Thank you.
Customer segments. Our segmentation target is low and middle income group, which includes students, workers, and employees, which is why our product is cheap and in small packages. And for the further segmentation, we are mainly focused on students. That's because we are also the students, we can easily get contact with other students, and that means more efficiency on selling and get the feedback. Customer relationship. In order to maintain a great customer relationship, we will carry out the following points. First, we will ensure our product in high quality, because the product quality is the foundation of everything. The low quality products will make other efforts also be useless. Second, free delivery. The convenient service during MCO will 100% improve our company's evaluation. Third, we will improve our product and service based on the customer's feedback. While improving ourselves, also enhances customers' impression and evaluation of our company.
Is the distinctions of our business offering. Our company has a new strategy for shifting our parking from large to small size. This is because not every customer with a large size and high size can afford the commitment. Our company uses the parking for our items, which is transparent silver plastic aluminum parking that can attract our customers. Because of more trends for our customers who buy our goods, our company will also do the distribution. The delivery depends on the location. We offer free delivery. If just walk near the place, we will charge for the delivery. If we are far from our place, we deliver to our client because it's too busy for central people and can't self-pick up. The client will be placed with our operation. We also post the photo of our client who purchased our product on our social media channel. However, it depends on our client, as we first ask for permission. On our meeting social sites, we even share all the comments. This can make feedback easier for clients, and we can strengthen ourselves in order to be successful. We assume that our customers will be more confident in us in this way. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will present about key activities and key partnership. For key activities, there are 4 activities that our company do. The first is buying, marketing, selling, and public relations. For buying, we bought our product from supplier, which is Popialicious Crispy. For marketing department will conduct marketing and sales promotion on Facebook, WhatsApp, also Instagram, and always update the latest news. For selling, Richest company is delivered to ship our product to customer and sales for profit. For public relations, our company approach to deliver free shipping during the COVID-19 as to achieve the good reputation and customer willing to buy again. There are 2 key partnerships. The first one is buyer-supplier relationship. Richest company doing to incomplete characteristic of trust, quality, and commitment between supplier and buyer. Our company believe that product from supplier have a quality because this company is one of famous company in making Popialicious Crispy. This ensure our company to trust the supplier and make order from them. We as a seller must be professional when selling any product. This is because this will make that customer satisfied with our service and product. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURHAIRANI. Now I will present the key partnership. The first key partnership is a strategic alliance non-competitors. This means not direct competition with supplier. Richest company get the product from the supplier from the Tower Sabah, and supplier will be partner for produce the product, which is Popialicious Crispy. Richest company also deals with supplier to send the product using post laju or chain. Now I will present about the channel that our company use. Richest company use 3 type of channel, and the first channel is a social media. Social media such as Facebook and Instagram. Richest company use this media as an advertisement for our product because has more attractive to young generation and link with our customer population. The second channel, Richest company, is related with the direct selling and marketing. On that particular, we use on this method to get an awareness of customer. For example, our distribution product, which is conduct in 3 places, we will try to sell and market it to their friends and close family. The last channel that we use is regard with the delivery service. process that we use on deliver our product to the customer after make a reservation via official media social from Facebook and Instagram, and we will make a delivering and catering by face to face.
My name is AZWA and today I will present about key resources. Our key resources divided in 3 categories, which are physical, financial, and human. First resource is physical. For example, heat sealer that we use to seal our product package that we already divided from big to small package. Second resource is human. We help each other and work together to sell our product. Also, we get advice from our supplier to improve our skill. Lastly, financial. We collect 30 ringgit per member to cover our cost to buy our product, transportation cost, and plastic bag for our product, which is Popialicious crispy. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is RAHMAT bin ABDULLAH with matrix number BB19110601. So, in my part, I will explain to you all about the cost structures and revenue stream for our company. Our company identifies 4 types of cost structures that we use throughout our running of Popialicious crispy product. This includes paying our supply product, transportation costs for delivery to our distribution. Other costs that we have to pay is cost for the bag plastic for purpose of product packaging and logo marking. The table 1 shows that simply how Richest company make an adjustment through our cost production. As a conclusion, we sell our product in 2 ringgit per package. Our company will get 25 ringgit as the profit per 1 kilogram and covering the cost of buying the product. From this, we will get discount if we buy a lot of product from the supplier, and it's supposed decreasing costs from the actual cost. The next part is about our revenue stream. Revenue stream can be classified into 2 types for highly level, for namely operating revenue, and secondly is non-operating revenue. For our Richest company, we completely generating capital for our product from operating revenues, which is we earn amount from the business operation as a capital for running our product in long-term period. From the table 2, it shows the total net profit that our company expecting after selling the product. Every 180 packages that we have complete to sell, we will get revenue equal to 360 ringgit. We assume that we will get the net profit equal to 150 ringgit after deducting the total cost of production for selling 180 packages Popialicious crispy. So after 1 month running for our operation, we are expecting that to get net profit for our business equal to 600 ringgit per month. So that's all for me. Thank you.